Okay, today we're going to calibrate the Flowbench, my Flowbench using the FlowPerformance FP-1 calculator. I'll come over here, I'm show you the calibration plate that's machined for 115 CFM at a flow rate of 28 inches of water column. And I'm using inside the bench 2 orifice plates which have a combined diameter of 2.089 inches, and at 28 inches of water pressure they would flow around 184 CFM at 28 inches. But with a 115 CFM calibration plate, this would be the equivalent of a port that would max out at 115 CFM at 28 inches, and we should see that on our FP1 calculator here. So I'll activate the bench here, the computer box here. My processor has cut off while I was talking, so I'll cut that back on. The FP1 is zeroing. There's the initial 0, and I'll execute a second 0, Z enter, just to make sure that it's calibrated to the box. Okay, there's the second calibration. So when we perform the bench calibration, this should come in around 115 CFM, plus or minus 1 CFM, sometimes less. And we'll initially start with just 2 motors, which will be under 28 inches, but because I'm in mode 0 with these 2 plates, it should still summarize around 115 CFM. So we'll start off with 2 motors activated. That's 115.5. That's at a little under 19 inches of pressure. So it's at this point within a few tenths of 115 CFM. Now I'll go over and I'll activate a 3rd motor to see if it changes anything. So that's the calibration of the bench. A slight increase, just a few tenths higher at the higher pressures, in this case actually over 28 inches, where it was showing about 116, but basically it's calibrated in the range of 115 CFM. We can say plus or minus 1 CFM swing at the most that we have. And that's how the my bench is calibrated to measure cylinder head port flow. Thank you for viewing and have a good day.